The question is saying that for telescope described in exercise 9.27a, what is the separation between the objective lens and the eyepiece for the final image forming at infinity? Write the separation between the objective and the eyepiece as focal length of the objective plus focal length of the eyepiece, and that will be equal to 140 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, and which will give us 145 centimeter. Now the B part of this question is, if the telescope is used to view 100-meter tall tower 3 kilometer away, what is the height of the image of the tower formed by the objective lens? So let us move to this question. Now we assume that this is the convex lens or the objective with a focal length of 140 centimeter. Now here lies the image. Now we can see that if the image is lying beyond the center of curvature, first center of curvature of the lens, so the image will form between the focus and the center of curvature, and if the object is placed far beyond, then the image will tend towards the focus, the second focus. So here we see that the angle made by the object and the image is going to be same. Here it is denoted by theta 0 or theta naught for the object and theta I for the image. Now here we can see that the image distance or the V would be equal to approximately F, because 3 kilometer is too much as compared to the focal length of 140 centimeter. So we can write that theta naught would be equal to theta I, and theta naught can be given by height of the object divided by the base, that is 3000 meter, and the theta I for theta image is given by height of the image by focal length of the objective. Now equating these two angles, we will get the value as HO by 3000 would be equal to HI by FO. Now HI would be equal to 0.047 meter or 4.7 centimeter. So height of the image would be equal to 4.7 centimeter in this case. Now the third question follows. What is the height of the final image of the tower if it is formed at 25 centimeter? So given the same arrangement that the image height is 4.7 centimeter, we have to find out what would be the final image height. What is the height of final image if it is formed at 25 centimeter from the eyepiece? So here in this case for the eyepiece, we have been given V, that is the final image position, that is 25 centimeter. We have been given the value of F, that is focal length, that is of 5 centimeter. Using this lens equation, we can find out the only unknown, that is U, object length or object position from the eyepiece. So calculating U, we will get a value of 25 by 6. Now we have to calculate the height of image, final image. So height of final image can be given by the magnification formula, linear magnification formula, that is V by U. And since we know the value of U now, that is 6. So the height of image can be calculated as the height of image by the objective, or the height of the image formed by the objective multiplied by the magnification of eyepiece, and which will give us 4.7 times 6, that would be equal to 28.2 centimeter. Thus the magnitude of the height of the image, the final image produced, is 28.2 centimeter. Thank you.